Have you ever been curious about the Emma app? The one that promises to help you achieve your financial goals effortlessly? You're not alone. With so many financial apps out there, it can be hard to know which ones are legit and which ones are just empty promises. Today, we're diving deep into the Emma app. Is it the financial savior you've been waiting for, or is it just another scam? To answer that question, we'll be looking at several key factors. Features and functionality. What does the app actually do? Does it live up to its claims? User experience. How easy is it to use? Is the interface intuitive? Security and privacy. Is your money safe with Emma? What measures does the app take to protect your personal information? Customer reviews. What do real users have to say about the app? Are there any red flags? Comparison to competitors. How does Emma stack up against other popular financial apps? Section 1. Features and functionality. Let's start by examining the core features of the Emma app. At first glance, it seems to offer a wide range of tools to help you manage your finances. One of the key features is its budgeting tool. It allows you to set spending limits and track your expenses, helping you stay on top of your finances. But does it work as well as advertised? Another popular feature is the bill tracking functionality. It can automatically detect and categorize your bills, making it easier to pay them on time. However, some users have reported issues with the accuracy of this feature. Emma also offers a savings feature that allows you to set aside money for specific goals. While this can be a helpful tool, it's important to compare the interest rates offered by Emma to other savings options. Section 2. User experience. Now that we've covered the features, let's talk about the user experience. How easy is it to navigate the app and use its various tools? Many users have praised Emma for its intuitive interface and straightforward design. The app is well organized, making it easy to find the information you need. However, some users have complained about certain features being overly complex or difficult to understand. This can be frustrating for those who are new to personal finance. Section 3. Security and privacy. When it comes to financial apps, security and privacy are paramount. Does Emma take adequate measures to protect your money and personal information? Emma claims to use industry-standard security protocols to safeguard your data. They also state that they comply with relevant data protection regulations. While there have been no major security breaches reported so far, it's always a good idea to be cautious and avoid sharing sensitive information with any app, including Emma. Section 4. Customer reviews. One of the best ways to get a sense of a product's quality is to read customer reviews. What do real users have to say about the Emma app? Overall, the reviews for Emma are mixed. Some users have had positive experiences, praising the app's features and helpfulness. Others have expressed frustration with certain aspects of the app, such as technical issues or poor customer support. It's important to note that individual experiences can vary, so it's worth reading a variety of reviews to get a balanced perspective. So, is the Emma app legit? The answer is, it depends. While Emma offers a range of features and a generally positive user experience, there are some areas where it could improve. The security and privacy measures seem adequate, but it's always a good idea to be cautious. Ultimately, the best way to decide if Emma is right for you is to try it out and see if it meets your needs. Consider your specific financial goals and preferences when making your decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.